Okay, let's go this way, see what we can learn. One more. Go. Thank you. Okay, let's go upstairs. All right, come on over and stand with me. I'm gonna ask you some questions. I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Hi, David.
All the kids, come on in here for a second.
I have to man the quarantines.
We're gonna keep following you. You don't get to escape. Come on over on this side. And so, what does great guest service mean to you?
I don't know.
We'll come back to you.
Yeah.
What does great guest service mean to you?
I think when everyone's polite and is willing to help, having people to kind of point you in the right direction when you're standing around looking confused, I think is really helpful.
Yeah, it really is. Could you just shoot the camera down just a little bit? So, what? Larry, you can tell as a Canadian, he's impervious to all mountain weather because his family told me he dresses this way in February in Oshawa, and it's perfect.
That's right.
Okay, so what makes great guest service for you guys as a culinary team?
Well, just the experience and quality of food.
You know what? I think friendliness is one of the key things.
Enjoy the good positive feedback that people give, the reward and satisfaction of they can enjoy it.
Yeah. And what makes helpful, do you think?
Well, we just had some questions actually for some of the staff here, and they knew the answers right off the bat, so that was good.
So I'm wondering if you could share with us what makes great guest service for you.
Good signage,
Yeah.
friendly people,
Yeah.
a mix of services, because all ages come here.
Yeah, they sure do.
Yeah.
So if you had any advice for our staff on guest service, what would you tell them?
More cookies?
More cookies.
Yeah.
Number 92, the smart one.
Free everything.
Hot chocolate free everything. Yeah, that would work for a while.
Activities like for kids.
Yep, activities for kids.
And adults.
Would you guys prefer to do them with your parents or without your parents?
Depends on the activity.
How's it going, everybody? Good? Okay. What makes great guest service for you on a summer vacation?
We're coming up here for their ideas, so be honest and give us their suggestions on what they think would be a great event, because we don't know what we're doing. So.
Okay, cheers. Yeah. Hi, gents. We were going to ask you, because you guys both have mustaches, we were going to ask the question, should we all have mustaches? Would that be a great guest service thing? Probably not. Not necessarily.
Not a big deal.
Think about it.
Find ways to make it fun. That's the best thing. Yeah.
I think just like having fun and like knowing what their experiences are, why they're here, what they're doing. Some people are here for weddings, some people are just visiting. So it's just fun to get to know why everyone's here.
Always listen to the customers. Be patient.
Be patient. That's a good one.
I believe that. Yeah.
Grab our team. So what makes great guest service for you?
I think just a friendly face, just the eye contact connection. If you have questions, actually helping with that, you know.
Midway through the summer season, how are you feeling? How do you keep your motivation high?
Communication, especially in this job, is the biggest key of all. But this summer we have a great team. Everybody works so well together. Yeah, they're a great bunch of people, so I'm pretty lucky.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And have a great rest of your trip. All right. And if you think of a guest service answer, we're here. You can track us down. Okay. Have fun. Thank you. Wow, so when you think about it, we've had some awesome participation. Number 1, be yourself. Number 2, connect with our guests in an authentic, meaningful way. Number 3, answer those questions with a smile, because you're going to get asked them 500 times a day, but for the guest, it's the first time they've asked it. The most important thing I think our guest told us was the authentic connection and helping them understand why we love these places that we're so lucky to work in. Finally, bring your best. It's a choice. It makes days way better, way more fun, and makes guest experiences that are truly real, delightful, and incredibly different.